The FreeStyl1 is EnGenius's newest solution for your long-range telecom needs. What makes the EnGenius FreeStyl different from other cordless phones? The answer is simple: long range. The FreeStyl offers superior coverage up to 25,000 square feet. That's 10 acres worth of crystal clear coverage, and its signal can penetrate up to 6 floors. The FreeStyl1 is the perfect cordless solution for large homes or estates, mountain resorts, planned communities, apartment complexes, small to medium-sized office buildings, lake homes, farmhouses, ranches, and much more. The FreeStyl1 can add up to 9 cordless handsets to one base station, and it's even compatible with your current cordless phone system. So you could add a FreeStyl1 handset and increase your coverage without any extra hardware or base stations. The FreeStyl comes standard with a push-to-talk instant voice page system. With a click of a button, you can page one handset, all your handsets, a group of handsets, or the base station. You can also use the FreeStyl as a wireless intercom, which allows for instant communication that's private and secure between handset to handset or handset to a base station. And the speakerphone function allows for hands-free operation either from a handset or the base unit. The FreeStyl1 is incredibly easy to install and use, and comes standard with a wide variety of features including a phone book with up to 50 entries, caller ID, 4-line LCD display, rapid charging, a headset jack with call control, a ring or vibrate option for incoming calls, call logs, call transfer, and much more.